Welcome to Tales of Gold. Today, we will explore the big question: what did the lost language of ancient Egypt sound like? Join us on this exciting journey as we uncover the secrets of ancient Egyptian voices, from pharaohs to everyday people. Ancient Egyptian is one of the oldest languages in the world, with a history that spans over 3,000 years. It evolved through different stages, starting with hieroglyphs during the Old Kingdom. Hieroglyphs are beautiful symbols used for important carvings on temples and tombs. Over time, the language changed, leading to other scripts like hieratic for religious texts and demotic for everyday writing. Each script shows how ancient Egyptians communicated their beliefs and daily lives. Understanding these scripts helps us learn more about their culture. Hieroglyphs might seem like simple pictures, but they are much more complex. They include two main types: logograms, which represent whole words, and phonograms, which represent sounds. For example, a bird symbol could mean bird or the sound ba. Decoding hieroglyphs took a long time, but in 1822, scholar Jean-François Champollion cracked the code using the Rosetta Stone, which helped connect these symbols to sounds. The Rosetta Stone, found in 1799, was essential for understanding ancient Egyptian. It has the same text, written in three scripts: Greek, demotic, and hieroglyphs. Since the scholars knew Greek, they used it to translate the other scripts. The Rosetta Stone helped unlock many Egyptian texts and gave us valuable insights into their culture and history. After decoding hieroglyphs, researchers faced the next challenge: figuring out how ancient Egyptian was pronounced. Texts like hymns from the New Kingdom give clues about vowel sounds and rhythms. The Coptic language, the last stage of Egyptian, helps us understand earlier phonetics. By studying names and words, scholars can guess how ancient Egyptians spoke. Reconstructing ancient Egyptian sounds is a challenging task. Linguists compare it with related languages to find common features. They also study Cyrenaic languages that share some sounds. By looking at texts and patterns, scholars piece together how ancient Egyptian might have sounded. Research suggests that ancient Egyptian had a melodic and rhythmic quality. It likely included various vowel sounds and unique intonations. Imagine the poetry and hymns being recited with musical rhythm, enriching religious and cultural practices. Understanding the sounds help us appreciate how ancient Egyptians communicated and celebrated their lives. While fully reconstructing the ancient pronunciation is difficult, efforts to understand its sounds have deepened our knowledge of this civilization. We can imagine how they communicated and celebrated, enhancing our appreciation of their culture and daily life. Studying their sounds connects us to the past and reveals the rich legacy of ancient Egypt. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the sounds of ancient Egypt. It's amazing to think about how language shapes our understanding of history and culture. If you found this exploration of what ancient Egyptians might have sounded like as fascinated as we did, we would love for you to show your support by liking this video and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. What did you find most intriguing about ancient Egyptian phonetics? Make sure to subscribe to Tales of Gold for more historical adventures as we continue to uncover the mysteries of the past. Each week, we will take you on a new exploration, from the secrets of pharaohs to the everyday lives of ancient Egyptians. Until our next adventure, keep your curiosity alive, and remember, history is not just about the past, it's a story waiting to be told.